नमस्ते बेटियों, खुश रहिए। आई जे बी मुस्कान कुमारी from the Department of Science and Technology, and I'm working here as an assistant professor in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University and Faculty of Education and Methodology. So today I will discuss the session. That session name is your map reduce in Hadoop. How MapReduce is working in Hadoop? What is the importance of MapReduce in Hadoop? Isn't it? So to make it an easier way to understand to all of you, I'm just going to share that files in which all the points regarding the MapReduce is mentioned. Okay, so please hold 1 minute. Yes, yes. Map reduce in Hadoop. Okay, so what? Hadoop MapReduce is basically the programming paradigm at the heart of Apache Hadoop for providing massive scalability across hundreds of thousands of Hadoop clusters. A common commodity hardware. Isn't it? What does this meaning? This meaning is regarding what? Key Hadoop MapReduce programming paradigm in which we are using the Apache. Apache Hadoop is a type of the software which we are using to performing these data science or the Hadoop, isn't it? So here is providing a massive scalability across the hundreds and thousands of Hadoop clusters. It means there are the various hundreds and thousands of the cluster are created in which lots of files are stored in each clusters and to massive that and we have to scalable level this massive amount of the clusters, isn't it? Suppose if we have more required of the files and we want to make this all files to by using another cluster, so here is the scalability of the clustering, isn't it? So, commodity hardware. The MapReduce model process the large unstructured data sets with a distributed algorithm on a Hadoop cluster. What does MapReduce perform? MapReduce is a model which processes large unstructured data set. Whatever the unstructured data set with a distributed algorithm, implement the distributed algorithm over the unstructured data set on a Hadoop cluster. Clear? So the term basically MapReduce also represents the two separate and distinct tasks. MapReduce perform the two separate or distinct tasks which are mm, task. Hadoop program performs map job reduce job, isn't it? What they are performed to distinct tasks. First, they are map the job, and reduce the job. It means map job skills takes data sets as input and process them into the produced key value pairs. Whatever the data sets are as an input, they are taking that all data sets and process them to produce the key value pair, isn't it? Now reduce job takes the output of map job and the key value pairs and aggregates them to produce the desired results. Clear? So the input and output of map and reduce job are stored in HDFS. Okay, so this is well known. I'm again just repeating this whole paragraph once again. In just understand that MapReduce is just a programming paradigm which at the heart of the Apache Hadoop, which we are using softwares for working on the Hadoop, isn't it? And this is MapReduce is basically what? Suppose you have a massive amount of the clusters and you have to make that clusters in the scalable form. So we can also make clusters into the scalability, like making one more clusters in which we add more data sets. Clear? So MapReduce is a model process large unstructured data set with the distributed algorithm and also the Hadoop clusters, isn't it? Now, the MapReduce terminology basically performs the two distinct tasks. First is the map job and reduce job. Second one is reduce job. So, map job basically what performs? They scale your data set as an input and process them to produce a key pair values, isn't it? And reduce job takes the output of the map job and also the aggregates with them to the produce of the key for generating the desired results. So these two, map job and reduce job, store into the HDFS. Now, what is the map reduce? If we talk about the map reduce, so someone will ask you what is the map reduce. So, map reduce, Hadoop map reduce is a software framework for which distributed processing of large data set on computing the clusters. It is a sub project of the Apache Hadoop project, and Apache Hadoop is an open source framework that allow to store and process big data into the distributed environment across the clusters of computer using simple programming models. MapReduce is also the core component for data processing in Hadoop framework. And if you talk about the layman's term, MapReduce helps to split the input data set into a number of parts and run a program on all parallel at once. Run all the programs parallelly at same time. At once, isn't it? Not same time, at once. The term map reduce refers to two separate and distinct tasks. Map reduce perform the two separate and distinct tasks. One is the map job and second is the reduce job. So this is the first is the map operation, that means map job, which takes a set of data and converts it into the another set of the data where individual elements are broken down into the tuples, and that is also you can say like the key or value pairs. The reduce operation combines the data tuples based on the key and accordingly modifies the value of the key also. So you can see in this example, like here, there is a client and here we are performing the map. They are performing the two things. One map and second is the reduce. So map clients is working with map and they are reducing, all the maps are going to reduce here and compiled and desire the outputs. And this, whenever we are just combining these both maps and the reduce, both are situated under the HDFS. Okay, so beer, deer, river, and car example. The following word count examples map reduce method. For simplicity, let's uh, consider a few words of the text document, like we want to find the number of occurrence of each word. Isn't it? First, the input is split to distribute the work among all the map nodes as shown in the figure. Above, each word is identified and mapped to the number one, isn't it? Thus, the pair also called the tuples are created. In the first mapper node, three words deer, beer, river are passed. Thus, output of node will three key value pairs with three distinct key and value set to one. Mapping process remains the same in all the nodes. These tuples are then passed to reduce the node. A partitioner comes into action which carries the shuffling so that all tuples with same key are sent to the same orders. Clear? So you can see here beer, deer, river, car, river, deer, car, beer, isn't it? So this is the basic shuffling as a input, and here these all are splitting into the three more parts. So first deer, beer, river, second car, river, third deer, car, beer. Now mapping is done here. Deer, beer, river. This is one times, and car river, this is also one times, and deer car beer one times. Now the overall map reduce word count processes. Here we have done the shuffling, isn't it? This one containing, and this one, and this one, three. So in this one, here you can see that beer is also come, and beer is come, and in this beer is come from here, isn't it? Where beer, we are achieving the similar type of data, which has same properties. We are using the same in the shuffling box. So in this, you can see in this box, all the beers is comes here, beer, and in this there is no beer, in this beer, so I have chosen this beer. Now in second we are using the car. In this car is happening, no, in this car is happened, so I have choose two cars are happen, two data is here. So we have chosen both data, and from this we have also choose the one card, so there is three. And in this, here is deer, so I have chosen this one. In this, no any deer, here is deer, so I have chosen that one. And last one is the river. Now I am just counting. It means reducing these the data sets into the, or you can say that reducing like optimize the data, isn't it? So you can see that here what it will be happens. Beer, the number of beer is two, the number of car is three, and the number of deer is two, and the number of river is two. Now final results you will produce like this type: beer two, car three, deer two, river two, isn't it? So this is the mapping of data, and here is the reducing of data and optimization of the data. Now the reduced node process all the tuples, that all the pairs with same key are counted, and the count is updated as the value of that specific key. In this example, there are two pairs with the key BF, which are then reduced single tuple with the value equal to the count. All the output tuples are being collected and written in the output files. Clear? Now, last one is the how is map reduced? How is map reduced? Various platforms are designed for the Hadoop for easier querying and summarization. For instance, Apache Mahout provides machine learning algorithms that are implemented over the Hadoops. Apache Hive provides data summarization, query, and analysis over the data stored in HDFS. MapReduce is basically primarily written in the Java, therefore more about than not. It is advisable to learn Java for Hadoop. MapReduce library have been written in many programming languages, though it is mainly implemented in Java. There are non-Java interfaces such as a streaming, a scripting language, pipes for we are using C++, Pig Hive, cascading. In case of a streaming API, the corresponding jar is included, and the mapper and reducer are written in Python or scripting language. Hadoop, which is in this term used MapReduce technique, has lots of use cases, and on the general note, it is used in scenario of needle in a haystack or the continuous monitoring of huge system statics. One such example is monitoring the traffic is country road network and handling the traffic flow to prevent a jam. One common example is analyzing and storage of Twitter data. It is also used in log analysis, which consists of various summarizations. So this is basically the your map reducing, how map is going to be reduced, and I have discussed various. I have also discussed the various topics which is related with these ones, and I just want to tell to you that if you have any problem in this session, then please do your query in the comment box, through which I can discuss your query in the next session with clear that all query, isn't it? And please read these sessions from the multiple standard book. Please refer that ones, and also use multiple sites, online sites which is available, which I have already discussed in multiple sessions. Yeah, okay. So please do that. And many questions will arises also from your this session, like what is the map reduce, what do you mean by map reduce, can you define this by an draw and diagram, and please explain the map reduce with an example. Then you have to draw these ones. And if someone know only the process of map reducing, then you have to make this diagram. Isn't it clear? So how map reduce is used. So this is that thing which I have discussed here. And this is the basically Apache Hadoop ecosystem, how that is working, which I have already discussed in this ones, isn't it? Pipelines, big hive, cascading, scripting, and streaming. So you can see here that what uh, management and monitoring. Ambari, here is the scripting languages is used, machine learning is used, query for query, high views, method peak, distributed processing, map reducing, distributed storage, SDFS, and NoSQL database is used, HBase, which is known as, and data integration is also used here. Here you can see the coordinations and workflow and scheduling also. Clear? So this is the basic ecosystem of the Apache Hadoop, and I have discussed overall the sessions. So I didn't think anything will be left in this session. And suppose if anything is left in this session, then please let me know regarding your query. Okay. Thank you.